Chloe, come and have a treat. Come on. Do you want a treat? To go find some treats for you? Hmm? Come on. Come on. Come on, guys. Oh, do you want a treat as well? Come on. Quick. Quick. Quick, quick. Come here then. You're going to bring your basket, boy. Okay? Come on. Chloe. I'll see you when your lips are very good in a minute. Okay? Treats. Yeah. Do some treats. I can open them. And I'm filming you at the same time. I don't know if I can. Here we know. You didn't like these the other day, did you? So you're in your little sack. And you've got dreamies as well. Yum yum. You haven't tried them yet though, have you? No. Try them another day. Okay, go on. Do you want some now? Chloe? Come here, Chloe. I'll try and open this and I'm holding the phone. It's very difficult. Don't come in now. Come in. Chloe, come here, girl. Chloe. No, I tried you with this the other day. You didn't like it. Holding the phone and trying to open it is difficult. It's a good boy. 2 minutes. Hang on. Oh, we got it. We got it. I know she's not going to eat any. We'll give it to Chloe that. Okay. Oh boy. Let Chloe if you want some to try. Chloe, you want to go and try? Hey, do you want to try some? You're not fussy, are you? You're a fussy pot, you are. Cordell eat it, though, won't he? You try? You do biscuits instead, you? You're fussy. Hmm? Do you want it? No, I'll give it to Corda then. Corda eat it, won't he? You're a boy. She's such a fuss pot. Oh, gone now. Oh, gone, you didn't want any. You're a fussy girl. You had a nice little treat, but you didn't want it. What are you doing, Dakota? Where are you going, Chloe? Chloe? Come here, girl. All treats are gone now. All finished. Go back to bed, good. And a bye. A good boy. done now. Okay, oh, good boy. Good boy. See you later. Okay, see you better now, the lights come on better. Can we? Right. What are you going to do, Chloe? You in or out? Chloe? You didn't want any, Chloe. They've all gone. Try every day with one you don't like them. You know if I see it. It's not going to be under there, is it? Co-directed. You think he's going to give you back, is he? There you go in now, you go now. And then, off you go. How are you doing? Go. How are you doing? Right, see you later then. So you're looking for, girl? You don't put stuff under there if you have to get it later, okay? If you have. Honestly. I don't see anything under that coat. Come on. There's nothing there. Come on, move away. Move away. There's nothing there. Come on. There isn't anything there, girl. I've looked. Right, see you later then. Guys. Bye guys.